You hum a tune, lost in thought, tracing shapes on the window glass. The world outside just fades away when I see you laugh like that. Every little sigh, every little smile, they linger like a melody. And I don't need a single word to know what you mean to me. You're the color in the gray, the warmth inside my hands, like a song that stays the same, but I hear it new again. You tilt your head, lost in dreams, mumbling stories no one knows. But every word you leave unsaid somehow finds its way to me. Every little glance, every little pause, they paint the air between us. And I don't need a single sign to know where my heart belongs. You're the color in the gray, the rhythm in my steps, like a song that never fades, but it's brighter every breath. If the world forgets to shine, I'll still find light in your hand. If the days move far too fast, I'll keep this moment here to last. Breaking through the chains I wear, every step a little higher. No more doubt, I'm almost there. I see the light just up ahead, feel the wind beneath my wings. I'm rising up, I'm not afraid. This is where I'm meant to be. I'll keep moving, turning back. I'll find my way, I'm on the right track. With every breath I fight, I'll stand. The world is mine right in my hands. I've been knocked down, felt the pain, but I'm stronger than before. Through the storm and through the rain, I'm not waiting anymore. Now the light shines even brighter, and my heart begins to soar. I'm rising higher, fighting harder. This is what I'm living for. I keep running, no turning back. I'll reach for more, I'm on the right track. With every breath I fight, I'll stand. The world is mine right in my hands. No fear can hold me, I'm breaking free. A fire inside that won't ever leave. The road is long, but I won't fall. I've got the strength to conquer all. I'll keep climbing, no turning back. I'll find my way, I'm on the right track. With every breath I fight, I'll stand. The world is mine right in my hands. I'll keep soaring, no turning